Hello, and welcome to my Tech Tool presentation on Basecamp. Basecamp is a project management web tool that is designed to increase productivity and communication between group members when working on a project. Basecamp can be used for a variety of subjects since the users can define the project's tasks and other items. I see it being especially helpful in e-learning since students don't get to interact much in person, if at all. This tool allows students to get that interaction needed in an e-learning class since it's a central hub where they can virtually meet. To start, add a project, call it whatever you want, add a description here, create this project. Now I'll show you one that I've been working on. So the first thing is to add group members, add people, give their names, email, other information about them, or personal note if you want. Click Send Now. Once you have all the members of your group, you can begin to use the 6 features located here. Campfire is basically a discussion board. You can add discussions, attachments, emojis, whatever you like. Here on the message board is where you can post announcements and other things. Simply click New Message. Say what you want, announcement, pitch or idea, question. Just post your idea, and then you can discuss it with other people in your group. Here is a to-do list. Add whatever items you want. And what's neat is you can assign people in your group the item. You can assign the people in your group who you want to be notified when it's completed, and then a due date. Then here's your event scheduling. I have an example here. Group discussion. You can add to your calendar. You can add an event whenever you want, or when it's all day or at a certain time during the day. You can post the event. Automatic check-ins is you can create a question which can be scheduled to send to the members of the group on certain days. So if I wanted to ask, are you able to meet next week? I can schedule it to be sent on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays at whatever time I went to whoever I want. Or if I wanted, I could do once a week, every other week, stuff like that. And then finally, you can upload your documents. Here you have Start a New Doc. You can make a new folder. You make multiple folders. Upload items. You can even share documents from your Google Drive or Dropbox. And that's how you use Basecamp. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and thank you for watching.